Stop planning for 2025. It is effectively over. If you are watching this, you need to be building for 2026. I run an AI agency and I see a massive shift happening. The lazy AI hacks, like asking ChatGPT to write a generic blog post, are dead. They stopped working months ago. To make real money in 2026, you need systems, not just prompts. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 specific AI business models that are actually printing cash right now. And I'm giving you the exact tech stack you need for each one. Opportunity number 1 is the fastest cash flow generator right now. AI TikTok Shop affiliates. The real money is in faceless videos that sell other people's products. Here is the workflow. First, go to the TikTok Creative Center and filter by top products. Take those winners and plug them into Calo data. This tool shows you the actual revenue numbers, so you know it sells. Next, use Pipiads to spy on the ads that are already working. Then, you have 2 options. Use TikTok Symphony to auto-generate the entire video instantly. Or, for higher quality, use ElevenLabs to generate a realistic voiceover and drag it into CapCut with your product screenshots. And real quick, I am planning a full step-by-step tutorial for this specific workflow. If you want to see that, hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss it. Now, if you want to scale this to $500 a day, use AI dubbing to translate that same video into Spanish and German to triple your market. Number 2 is the AI Content Factory. The beginner way is to use a tool like Opus Clip. You paste a YouTube link manually and it finds the viral moments for you. It's good, but it's manual. The pro way, the 2026 way, is an 8N. You build an automation that watches a target YouTube channel. When a new video drops, Nate-N sends the transcript to GPT-4o to identify the most viral 60-second hook. Then, and this as the secret sauce, it sends that timestamp to a tool like Creatomate. Creatomate automatically cuts the video, adds the captions, and 8N schedules it to TikTok. You literally don't touch the content. You just build the pipe. But don't just do this for random videos. Target high value niches like finance or real estate. Advertisers pay 5 times more for these views than they do for comedy or gaming. That is how you win. Number 3 is my favorite for quick cash. AI Reactivation Copywriting. You find a business selling a high ticket item like a $5,000 coaching program and you offer to wake up the dead email leads. Take a transcript of their best sales call, feed it into Claude 4.5 Sonnet and use this prompt. Act as a world-class copywriter. Write a 3-email sequence to re-engage dead leads. Use curiosity hooks and drive them to a single call to action. You send the emails, they get sales, and you take a commission. It is practically found money. Number 4 is a sleeping giant. AI food photography. Look for restaurants on Uber Eats with terrible dark photos. These bad photos cost them money. Pitch them a menu revamp for $500. Take their bad photo, upload it to Midjourney V6 or Magnific AI and prompt it for cinematic lighting, 8K resolution. The AI keeps the food consistent but makes it look delicious. The restaurant makes their investment back in 1 week. Finally, opportunity number 5. The final boss of 2026, AI arbitrage. Companies are terrified of AI. They will pay you to solve their expensive problems. You aren't selling AI, you are selling time. Use Clay and instantly to automate their sales outreach. Use Vapi or Retell AI to build voice agents that answer customer support calls 24/7. Use Make.com to connect their messy apps. You save them $100,000 a year in salaries. In exchange, they will happily pay you a $3,000 to $5,000 monthly retainer just to keep the system running. You only need 3 clients to hit $15,000 a month. That is the leverage of AI. Here is the truth. Watching this video won't make you rich. Execution will. Pick one of these 5 models. Just one. Start building today. I am going to be releasing deep dive tutorials on how to build the AI arbitrage system next week. If you don't want to miss that, make sure you are subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.